Today we are going to be making chicken cacciatore. I got the recipe from my mother-in-law, and she's had it many years, and so I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's go. You're going to need about 3 to 5 pounds sized chicken. I had mine cut up in pieces at the butcher. They'll do that for you. We're going to take olive oil. We're going to put it in your pan. I guess about 4 tablespoons because we got a lot of chicken. We're going to let that heat up some. I've salt and peppered my chicken. I've got probably 1.5 cups of flour that I've put salt, pepper, and we're going to dredge the chicken in that. Let's see if this is, yeah, it's getting hot. We're going to coat it good. We're going to cook it on both sides. I cut my breast in half, each of them, because they were so big. And if you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I finished frying the chicken. It took about probably 45 minutes. I had 2 pans full, and this is how brown you want it, like this. Them are big pieces of chicken. And so I'm fixing to put some more oil in my pan, and I'm going to saute the 1 bell pepper, 1 onion that I have chopped up, and 4 cloves of garlic. Here's my bell pepper. Here's my onion. Here's my garlic. And we'll put a little salt. Not much, just a tad. We're going to saute this for about 5-7 minutes. I have 1 can, 28 ounces of whole tomatoes. Now I drained them, and then I took the tomatoes and I squished them. I washed my hands and I squished them. And then I got 1 can, 8 ounces of tomato sauce. I've got 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Okay, our bell pepper and onions are ready. We'll pour this is the whole tomatoes with the juice that I've mashed up. It's 28 ounces. And pour that in there. This is 1/4 cup of chicken stock. 8 ounces of tomato sauce. These are my seasoning that I've measured out, and I'm going to put them in there. The 2 bay leaves. We'll mix that together. I'm adding a cup of chicken stock. That will be 1 1/4 cup. My mother-in-law, she put in water, but I'm using chicken stock. Now we're going to put in our chicken. Gonna coat it. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Put those juices in there. Waste not, want not. I'm going to turn it down to simmer. Make sure everything's coated. Then we're going to put the lid on it. And let it simmer for 1 hour until it's nice and tender. The chicken has been cooking for 1 hour. It is delicious. It smells great. It is done. So let's take a look. Doesn't that look wonderful? It smells marvelous. It is so tender. It's just falling off the bone. And with that gravy, and we'll plate it up for you. As you come across these bay leaves, you need to take them out. I got some parsley and basil here. You can use dry or you can use fresh. But I want to sprinkle some around the top. Now, don't that look wonderful? The way I like serving this is with some kind of pasta or garlic bread. But it's up to you. There's so many varieties and ways you can do it. So I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on how you like it if you try it, or if you want to see something different. So as always, God bless.